Well, I'm excited for this role and project. I always wanted to play a role na hindi ako baliw or anti. So this time it's something different. It's more mature. I'll be playing as a lawyer and I'll be playing as Matthew. I would say he's a happy-go-lucky intern. And he may seem na very cocky at times, pero seryoso siya sa buhay.
Okay. Hindi, check ko kasi yung giveaways. Oh. Ang ganda ng Imona Jewelry, SCD Skincare Products, and your makeup ready, set, glow. Mamimigay po tayo para makamukha niyo po si Lavi. Pero eto, siyempre JM, parang amuse si JM sa akin.
Hello, I'll be playing the role of Adam Lucero. Medyo pareho na namang attorney. So, kinakabahan po ako kung paano ko siya atakin. Actually, kinakabahan po talaga ako in general. Pressure, kung paano po ang gagawin ko. Pero nandiyan naman sila directing yung naman yung ating mga magagaling na co-cast members. So, yun na lang po ako kumakapit. And kay Lord.
You played
so,
naman.
Mabigyan ko po ng hustisya. Salamat po.
Thank you.
First time ko po na play as a lawyer. So, mga preparations I would do is, syempre talk to Derek and ask her some insights. Yung mga basics lang naman. Tapos I will just watch series like Suits or some YouTube videos on how, especially the terms that they use, especially their body language is very important. So, research lang talaga.
May sinadjust si Derek kung napanood
Yes.
mga films or...
Sorry?
Derek suggest any films or characters to...
May mga reference like as my character lang, pero hindi as a lawyer. Like siguro yung personality ng character ko, she told me to watch Top Gun 1. Yun lang naman so far.
Yes, for me it's preparations. I think it's important to come extra prepared. Usually pagdating naman namin sa set, we know our lines, it's a given. Pero ito parang talagang, to be able to give it justice, you have to come prepared. And yes, and I've been watching videos as well, real videos, court scenes, actual footage of court scenes. And I familiarize myself with the words, the terms, what they actually mean. And yes, and of course with the help of Direk. And also she told me there's so many unconventional lawyers out there. So it's nice to learn about that because we always have this, perception of how lawyers are. But then really, they're different. We all have different personalities, and that shows the human side of being a lawyer.
Kasi di ba rin last time interview ka namin sa Indang, sobrang hirapan ko sa terminology.
Okay. Nahirapan po ako ng terminology. Opo, actually nang-bash nga sa akin na hindi daw ito naniniwala ang lawyer ako sa sarili lang. So na-hurt ako doon. So ngayon, nag-observe ako, may mga kinakausap din po akong mga lawyers ng wake ng lola ko. Pinag-observe ako sa parang wala ako sa ita, wala sa opisina. Tapos, ayun din po, manonood din po ng mga video. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Love yung hair mo, part ng the break.
Yes, as you can see, I'm in character. Yes, part po ng
Tama ka, so yung Guilty Pleasure is a woman story. So you show different kinds of women. And we hope that you get to identify who you are with the women that you present, who all loved, suffered, and who want to vindicate themselves or find peace with the choices that they made with their decisions. Ang klaseng babae, smart, sassy, confident, effortless, authentic. I mean, it's always like about authenticity. Parang, I want to be like her. Pag nakita mo si Lovie, nakita mo yung mga characters, I want to be like her. I want that kind of woman. With the guys naman, I want to be his boyfriend.
Okay.
But I mean, other than just being this woman story, we also want to present the characters in this whole film in a very Filipino way that is in a global context. So we want to showcase pride in the locations that we have, in the production design that we have, in the music, and in the costume design of the entire film.
So parang creating a film for a global audience. We're streaming ba ito international?
Hopefully, parang, ano yung next level that you can offer with it? Parang, I've observed several series and films about lawyers, and I felt like, hindi sila umaakit. Pero I was doing interviews with lawyers and judges, and meron mga judges na they want ayaw nila nang hindi maganda sa court nila. So, ibig sabihin, gusto nila ma-enjoy. Kasi imagine, as a 30 years old, and then it's a traditional conservative setup, and hindi nila ma-enjoy yung youth nila. So, ma-infuse sana yung maka-share to other lawyers that they can also dress this way and carry themselves in this way. The human side of it.
Thank you.